The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to explain Illinois parenting plans in the context of divorce or paternity cases. So a parenting plan is something that each side submits to explain how they think that the parenting responsibility and time should be divided if there's a couple that shares a child but is no longer married or has never been married. So the parenting plan is basically each side's proposal for how different parental responsibilities, decision-making, how time spent with the child will work, when each parent is going to basically have physical possession of the child. And each side will submit this plan within 120 days of requesting parental responsibility. If both sides agree, if they can come to an agreement on this, then they'll instead submit something called the Joint Parenting Agreement, which lays out how this is all going to work, and basically it's a settlement agreement on parental responsibilities. If both sides can't agree, the first thing that a judge will likely do is order mediation, and this is basically having the parties and their attorneys appear outside of court in a privileged setting, so nothing they say in mediation is going to affect the rest of their case, and try to hammer out an agreement on a joint parenting plan with the help of a neutral third-party professional mediator whose job it is to help the parties resolve disputes and kind of come together on a joint parenting agreement. The reason courts like to have a mediation if the parties can't agree, rather than a trial to have the court decide the issues, is that it's much more likely, this is something that the parties are going to have to live with for a long time, and they're much more likely to comply with it if they have something that they've both agreed to and reached through a settlement. It will fit with their lifestyles much better, and there's going to be much less chance of litigation or contempt proceedings for failure to comply with the plan if the parties reach it by voluntary agreement as opposed to a court-ordered basically a court-ordered parenting order. So if they aren't able to reach an agreement through mediation, the court will basically hold a trial and establish a plan for them. And usually the judge will do an investigation as to what is in the best interest of the child, and that is the rule of thumb, the standard that courts use to determine how parenting time and responsibility is going to be allocated among the parties. Once, either through a trial or through a joint parenting agreement, once there's been an agreement or a final order on parenting, this is going to come in the form of a joint parenting order. So the terms of the parenting agreement or the terms of the judge's verdict at the trial are going to be solidified into a final order on the case called the joint parenting order. This is going to, again, lay out all of the responsibilities of both parties, both parents, towards the child, and it can't be changed for 2 years absent some significantly changed circumstances. If either party doesn't follow the order, then they're held in contempt of court. Essentially they've broken the law by not following the order, and the party that has been following the order can seek to have the judge hold them in contempt, and this can be monetary or whatever penalty the judge decides. So thanks so much for listening. If you have any questions, please leave them in our comments section. Please subscribe on YouTube and SoundCloud, and feel free to call us for an initial consultation, 630-324-6666. Thanks.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.